How to get rid of earwigs in your house or in the garden. In this video we'll provide you various methods for getting rid of earwigs and preventing them from causing further issues. Earwigs are small, nocturnal insects known for their pincer-like appendages and tendency to hide in dark, damp places. While they can be beneficial in small numbers by consuming other pests, large populations of earwigs can become a nuisance, especially when they invade your home or garden. Before taking any action, it's essential to confirm that earwigs are the pests causing problems in your home or garden. Look for signs of earwig activity, such as chewed leaves in the garden, or sightings of earwigs in dark, damp areas of your home, such as basements, bathrooms, and kitchens. Earwigs are attracted to moist, dark environments, so reducing moisture levels and eliminating hiding places can help deter them. In the garden, remove debris, such as piles of leaves, mulch, and wood piles, where earwigs may hide during the day. In your home, fix leaks, improve ventilation, and use dehumidifiers to reduce humidity levels in basements and other damp areas. Trapping is an effective method for reducing earwig populations both indoors and outdoors. Place rolled-up newspaper or cardboard tubes in the garden or near earwig entry points in your home. Check the traps in the morning and dispose of them, along with any captured earwigs. Encouraging natural predators, such as birds, toads, and ground beetles, can help control earwig populations in the garden. Create habitat features, such as bird feeders, bird baths, and rock piles, to attract these beneficial predators to your garden. Diatomaceous earth is a natural, abrasive powder that can be used to control earwigs and other crawling insects. Apply DE around the perimeter of your home and garden, focusing on areas where earwigs are most active. Reapply DE after rain or watering, as it can lose effectiveness when wet. Insecticides can be used as a last resort for severe earwig infestations. Apply insecticide products labeled for earwig control according to the manufacturer's instructions, focusing on areas where earwigs are most active. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and for more tips on pest control, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.